whole festival went really well, and we owe so many thanks to the skills of our team of helpers, to the support of our funders, and to many, many people who helped us in many, many ways. And now we have a treasure chest of events in our YouTube channel to sit back and savour and enjoy through the winter months ahead. We have outlines along Orkney's coast with a look at the way in which natural forces have shaped it over long periods of time. We have a look at wildlife along the Orkney shore in the worlds of the fish and of the seals, and some never-before-seen footage provided by Raymond Bezant. We have a walk with an archive of voices, past and present in our ears, through Rackwick, the aptly termed Hidden Valley of Light.
Rackwick is known to have Norse origins. The first recorded inhabitants were Covenanters, religious prisoners on board a slave ship on its way to America.
We have stories from Orkney Vintage Club of restoration of classic technology from the past.
Here we see a later model Ford tractor with a hydraulic lift mechanism similar to the Ferguson.
And we have stories of the development of the technology of the future. There's the latest news of progress of hydrogen for flights and ferries, a view ahead to the potential of offshore wind, and an opportunity to hear more about the lives of some of the people working on the development of the world's most powerful tidal turbine. We had lively lunchtime sessions with night sky observation guidance and foraged food recipes, and we were joined by the Astronomer Royal for Scotland to hear the news of North Ronaldsay's award of International Dark Sky status. A particular feature this year was some wonderful music. We heard music from composers along the northern sea routes, and also music influenced by astronomy. We had some amazing speakers from near and far. From Finland we heard the story of life in the Ice Age in a world of cave bear and sabre-toothed tiger. From Greenland came the story of landscapes where Norse farmers met Inuit hunters. We heard from Canada how indigenous medicines were provided to the Orkney men working for the Hudson's Bay Company. From the US came the story of a Russian prince who argued that mutual aid was a key factor in evolution. And also from the US came the story of a possible arrival in the solar system of an alien probe 4 years ago. There was so much to enjoy in those 7 action-packed days of the festival. And now there's time to sit back and explore it on our YouTube channel, and indeed from time to time to take a break and a walk along the shore and reflect on those ideas and stories with the sound of the sea in our ears.